Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a giddiness in Adobe Premiere Pro using the Ultra Key effect. It's quick, easy, and gives you professional looking results. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import your giddiness footage. Drag the clip onto your timeline. Now, go to the effect panels. In the search bar, type Ultra Key. You'll find it under Video Effects, Keying. Drag the Ultra Key effect onto your giddiness clip. Next, select the clip on the timeline and open the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down until you see the Ultra Key settings. Next to Key Color, you'll see the eyedropper tool. Click on the eyedropper, then click anywhere on the green background in the program monitor. As you can see, the green background disappears instantly. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. Open the matte generation section. Here you can adjust the transparency, highlight, shadow, tolerance, and pedestal settings to improve the key. You can also expand the matte cleanup section to smooth the edges and remove any remaining green outlines. If there's still a slight green tint around your subject, open the spill suppression section and increase the settings until the green color disappears. Now, place your new background on a video track underneath your giddiness clip. Your subject will appear in front of the new background. And that's it. That's how you remove a giddiness in Adobe Premiere Pro using the Ultra Key effect. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.